Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete multiple emails in Outlook. So for this you have to go first on your Outlook, then choose a folder from which you want to delete all emails. So I'll choose Inbox, then click on this folder, and you can see there is an option as delete all. So if you click on this delete all, then all emails will be deleted. Or another way you can delete all emails, just click and select one email, then hold on control on your keyboard and click on A. Then all email will be selected like this. Then after that, you can click on delete here, or you can click on delete button on your keyboard. So in these two ways, you can delete multiple emails in Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.